Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hi everybody, it's Crafteria. Welcome to another video. I'm glad you're joining me today. I have a brand new company that has reached out to me and asked me if I would try out some of their products and make a couple videos for you. So the company name is Globleland, Globleland, and their website is globleland.com. I'm going to zoom in on their website here on my iPad, and as you can see, it is globleland.com, and this top bar up here will change and you will see any specials that they may be having. So always check it out. Like for example, they have the 99-cent zone. If you scroll down a little bit, we have new arrivals, their story, and different categories to shop in as far as things like cutting dies, silicone stamps, stencils, tools, and then their best sellers are listed. And then just more about the company down here, and then of course other links to the company. So it's really easy to look for different things on their website. If you want to browse through the categories, you can. You can also hit this magnifying glass and it brings up a search bar, and you can type in, as you can see what I searched for before, Peacock, and then hit enter, and it'll bring up the products that feature a peacock, which is of course the first thing that I did when I was searching for some products. So we have this really neat stencil, we have some die cuts, and some other die cuts there. So if you see an item that you want or want to look at more closely, you can just click on it. It'll tell you about it. For example, this set of die cuts is $2.43. And it tells you how many they have in stock. They have 14 of them. And then you can just click add to cart if it is something that you want. You can click on this person here and set up your account. Log in with your email address and password. I am not going to do that right now, but I do have an account. You can make an account as well. And then you can also click on that little bag to see what is in your shopping cart. And then you can check out that way. They have a pretty good description about all of their items. Usually they'll have the dimensions and different things so you can double check and make sure it is what you really are looking for. So that is their awesome website. I will go back to the front. For example, we have this really cool set of stained glass die cuts. And it's $6.16, and that, of course, is at the time of this video. Prices may change. If you want to see more pictures of the item, you can just scroll through here. And here, for example, you can see the dimensions of each item. So that is their website. Please do go check it out. So let's go ahead and unbox the items that I chose for this order. This is the first time I'm working with them, and their items are amazing. So the first item that I chose were these Suncatcher dies that I just showed you from the website. There's a set of 4. I have a piece of white cardstock that I will set down so you can see them. We have the tree. This one is a butterfly. This one is the hummingbird. And the roses. So they look like stained glass. I'm so excited to try working with these. I think it'll be a whole lot of fun. The next item I chose was, of course, the Peacock Die Cuts. And there are 2 of them in this set. We have the peacock and then the peacock feather. And I think the peacock would make a really pretty bookmark. The next thing I chose were these really pretty sunflower stamps. To everything there is a season, merry, happy, and the pretty sunflowers and the word love. And then it also comes with a set of matching die cuts, so you can die cut out your shapes. Let's see if I can get it in a little bit closer for you to see. I'm excited to try these out. And then the last item that I chose this time is this set of cutting dies. And it is that is the side of a house. As you can see, the bricks. I think the bricks don't cut, but I think they do emboss. And then we have a tree, and the tree is set for 4 seasons. As you can see, there's a bat, and there's some apples for the fall. And then there's this spooky looking tree for the fall. There's some flowers and the actual leaves that you could put over the tree for the springtime and the summer. And then I think you can use this tree and put snow on it for the winter. And then it also comes with the palm tree, and it looks like a hammock. Here is that set. So you do have the palm trees, you can cut out the hammock, and then you have the different houses you could do for the different seasons: spring, fall, Halloween. So there's an example of the spring, and there is a close-up of the dies once they are cut out. This whole set was only $5.24, so I think that's an awesome deal. And everything came packaged well. They were packaged with cardboard and bubble wrap, and it came in a bubble wrap envelope. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please go check Globleland out. And if you do, please leave a comment in the description box below of which item is your favorite. Let me know which items you like that I did not get today, because I may decide to choose those in a future order. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button down there somewhere. I know they just moved it. And then also give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.